Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Creality Falcon A1 Pro laser engraver. This might be the easiest laser engraver to use in 2025. I have reviewed numerous laser engravers and none of them can match this smart operation and user friendliness. Today, let's dive into this Creality Falcon A1 Pro. The appearance design of Falcon A1 Pro is very unique and attractive, especially with its double-door design, which greatly facilitates tracing materials and observing the laser cutting process. It is also fitted with an HD camera for real-time visual positioning and autofocus, which greatly improves the efficiency of the user's workflow. The Falcon A1 Pro is also equipped with a touchscreen, allowing it to be operated offline or connected to the cloud. A 20-watt diode laser head is standard on the Falcon A1 Pro, but it supports laser head replacements, such as a 2-watt IR laser. The overall user-friendly design exceeded my expectation. Of course, there is still room for improvement in terms of user experience, as you will find out later in the video. But anyway, I still think Creality Falcon A1 Pro is one of the best laser engravers of 2025. Okay, let's start with the laser wall art project to demonstrate the various features of the Creality Falcon A1 Pro. First, we place the honeycomb panel and also the 300 by 300 mm plywood that we are going to cut. The Falcon A1 Pro has a maximum cutting or engraving area of 268 by 358 mm, so it can satisfy creators making medium-sized creations. After opening the Falcon Design Space software, import all the files for cutting and engraving into the software. First, select the machine model, Creality Falcon A1 Pro 20 watts. Then click on the Wi-Fi icon to connect to the Wi-Fi, and everything is ready to go. It's really handy to have the HD camera projection so that I can drag and drop the layers I need to cut for the first time into the camera view for layout. The software also provides automatic setting of engraving and cutting parameters for common materials, which can be done automatically by selecting the corresponding material. This is all very convenient and greatly saves my working time. In my other review videos before, because of lack of these automation features, I have to spend lots of time testing for the best engraving parameters and manually positioning each time I engrave. Now, it can be done in just a few seconds, which greatly enhances the user experience. After positioning the layout in Falcon Design Space, you can click on the frame icon to verify the positioning of the cutting. As you can see, the camera is positioned very accurately. We can also do autofocus on the software. Just click on the autofocus icon for the quick autofocus operation, which is really convenient. The Falcon A1 Pro's autofocus function is realized with the AI vision system, which combines red laser spot detection and the camera taking a picture to quickly achieve autofocus in less than 3 seconds. Okay, now we will make the second plywood cutting. The double door design is a really good idea. Not only is it easy to observe the cutting process, but it's also easy to place the materials. Quickly drag the second cutting pattern into the preview window on the software. Click on the camera to return to a live vision, and then adjust the positioning precisely as before. Then start the cutting. As you can see, the actual cutting positioning aligns with the camera positioning. The backside of the material has a very visible smoke attachment. This result comes from the shortcoming design of the honeycomb panel structure. This honeycomb panel structure is not able to efficiently lead the smoke out quickly. To improve the cleanliness of the cutting surface, this machine needs to replace the honeycomb panel with a more sensible design. Okay, let's finish this project to music. Enjoy. The laser module of the Creality Falcon A1 Pro is interchangeable. If you need to engrave metal and plastics with a 2-watt IR laser, simply remove the 20-watt style laser module and replace the 2-watt IR laser module. Once again, the Creality Falcon A1 Pro is the smartest laser engraver I have ever used. While other laser engravers require manual labor to complete pre-processing, the Falcon A1 Pro does it all with clicks on the computer. The Creality Falcon A1 Pro represents the future of consumer-grade laser engraving machines. It offers a full range of safety features such as flame detection, emergency stop button, child safety lock, dual limit switches for X and Y axis, and more. More importantly, it incorporates an AI system to provide the ultimate user experience. I have truly experienced and convenient workflow with the Falcon A1 Pro that I would not have experienced with any other laser engraver before. Whether you are a laser beginner or a professional DIY maker, especially a beginner, it's really for you. I really recommend it. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.